Every Nike shoe begins with the purity of raw cotton, cultivated under the rising sun.
Skilled hands select the softest fibers, destined for Nike craftsmanship.
Each harvest step brings Nike's raw materials closer to transformation. Power and motion guide this cotton toward the Nike supply chain. Prepared and packed, the cotton is ready for its Nike journey. With raw materials secured, the journey to Nike's facility begins. With every load secured, Nike's raw materials roll into motion. Every journey begins on rugged paths before reaching Nike's precision lines. Miles of transit connect Natural's materials to Nike engineering. Secured tightly, each shipment remains protected on its way to Nike. Urban logistics hubs guide the final miles of Nike's supply flow. Across far stretches, Nike's components travel with precision.
On the horizon stands the Nike factory, ready to transform raw material into innovation.
Automated docks accelerate Nike's supply chain turnover.
This is the gateway where raw material crosses into Nike production.
This moment marks the start of Nike's internal production cycle. From here, Nike systems take full control of the process.
Every fiber is prepared before Nike begins deeper processing. Every corridor leads deeper into Nike's engineered precision.
Clean and ready, the material advances into Nike's sorting stage. Nike Vision systems check purity at lightning speed.
Uniformity is critical before Nike shapes raw fibers into performance material.
Balanced density ensures Nike materials behave predictably under stress.
Nike shapes raw fibers into a workable form for the next phase.
Nike's precision begins at the smallest level, fiber by fiber.
Prepared and perfected, the material is ready for Nike's main process.
At this point, Nike begins separating purity from imperfection. Every load is placed with precision to maintain Nike's material flow. Only the best materials make it to Nike's core process. Human touch remains a vital part of Nike's quality promise.
Nothing unwanted continue. Nike removes waste instantly.
Each strand is aligned to guarantee Nike E-grade consistency. Mesh toughness defines performance longevity. Even the smallest Nike element must withstand real-world pressure.
Powerful presses carve out the components that form each Nike E-upper.
Laser-verified alignment sets the foundation for Nike's textile accuracy.
Laser-etched guidelines shape the Nike foundation with flawless accuracy. Laces enter the line prepared for flawless Nike integration.
Heat bonding seals each Nike panel into a single unified structure.
Every element is fused under tightly controlled Nike conditions.
Sunlight can age materials. Nike tests it before nature does.
Clean, sorted, perfect. Now, Nike begins the real transformation.
Human precision ensures every Nike panel meets the correct specification.
Alignment jigs prepare every Nike panel for precise stitching. Precision control ensures only approved material enters Nike's processing line. Inside Nike's microscopic lab, every detail becomes a universe of precision. Every Nike tread must defeat miles of wear before reaching your feet. A controlled coat of adhesive prepares each Nike sole for solid bonding.
Clean outsoles guarantee the Nike grip remains consistent. The signature Nike identity. Laser etching adds a subtle Nike signature only machines can perfect.
Aligned perfectly, Nike uppers meet their midsoles for the first time. Nike e-stitching machines combine strength with delicate craftsmanship. Reinforcement gives Nike shoes their characteristic shape and stability. Automation gives each Nike shoe its iconic finished look.
Comfort layers slide into place, forming the Nike interior fit.
Strong Nike foxing stitches secure every step.
Reinforcement stitching secures every Nike detail for long-term durability. Every stitch of a Nike shoe is measured down to fractions of a millimeter. Upper and sole unite with exact Nike engineering. Heat activates the seal that locks every Nike shoe into strength. Buffing refines each Nike shoe into a polished form.
Human precision shapes the fine edges that define Nike's final look. Heel counters give every Nike step its stable backbone. Micro paint work restores flawless Nike color accuracy.
Shaped under heat, each Nike shoe achieves its final geometry.
The Nike Comfort Foundation settles inside the shoe.
Soft interior adjustments finalize the Nike Comfort seal.
Inside every Nike shoe, even hidden surfaces must be perfect.
Machines flex Nike soles thousands of times to guarantee durability. Glue strength determines whether a Nike shoe survives the hardest steps.
Hands bring finesse, cutting every Nike outline clean.
Cushioning is engineered, not guessed. Impact defines comfort.
Laser precision ensures the Nike form stays flawlessly accurate. Cooling locks in the structure that keeps Nike shoes reliable.
Mesh alignment keeps the Nike upper perfectly uniform.
Polishing removes every speck to give Nike shoes their crisp finish.
Color uniformity ensures every Nike pair looks identical worldwide.
Extreme cold and heat expose the truth behind Nike's reliability.
Water resistance keeps performance alive in harsh weather.
Even a slight shift in color can change the signature Nike look.
Logo clarity is a signature that every Nike pair must uphold.
Hydraulic force guarantees long-lasting Nike durability.
Automation ensures every Nike shoe carries verified identity. Glue edge detection guarantees a clean Nike construction line. Compression rigs measure how Nike soles handle real-world impact. Sorting automation keeps Nike production flow uninterrupted. Grip testing ensures Nike traction stays strong on every terrain. Infrared scanning keeps Nike interiors clean and dry. With automation complete, Nike shoes progress to final finishing. A final dry stabilizes every Nike finish layer.
Nike simulates months of foot movement in seconds.
Human eyes remain the final guardians of Nike craftsmanship. Airflow, piping, and power, everything synchronized for Nike efficiency.
Verification ensures every Nike product meets global compliance.
With quality confirmed, the Nike shoe is ready for its final journey. Every Nike pair is protected with precision and care.
Approved Nike shoes enter the final stretch of their journey.
Every Nike box finds its exact destination. This hall directs all materials to their first critical Nike process. From exterior to interior, Nike's journey now enters the cleaning phase. Automation ensures uniformity in every sealed Nike box. Precision continues even at the pallet scale. Shrink wrapping locks every Nike shipment for the road ahead. Every entry is verified to maintain Nike's strict material integrity. Pallets enter the organized heart of the Nike warehouse.
Storage rows organize thousands of Nike products by precision. Monitoring, timing, and accuracy, hallmarks of Nike workflow.
Digital tracking keeps every Nike shipment accounted for.
Every Nike shipment is documented to perfection.
Nike's logistics chain never stops evolving.
Every Nike shipment is authenticated before leaving the facility. From one factory, Nike products reach millions.
Through tunnels and terrain, Nike's supply chain never stops.
The journey expands from local roads to global routes. A unified fleet keeps Nike production running without pause.
Industrial craft meets global movement.
A global network ensures Nike reaches every continent. A complete ecosystem of engineering and craftsmanship. From raw materials to finished products, every step matters.
And this is how modern factories produce Nike shoes from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.